Hey there viewers, the Bank Insider here, ready to simplify your banking life. Today, we're tackling how to link your credit card account on the Nedbank Money App, perfect for managing your finances on the go. New to the channel, stick around for insider tips on mastering South Africa's top fintech apps.
Before we dive in, ensure you've downloaded the latest version of the Nedbank Money App from your device's app store. This guarantees you have access to all the newest features. Now, back to the video. Step 1. Link your credit card account. Open the Nedbank Money app and log in securely. Tap More at the bottom right-hand corner. Select Settings, then choose Account Settings. Tap Link Accounts. Swipe through the options and select the credit card account you want to link under Linkable Accounts. Confirm by tapping Continue at the bottom center of the screen. And you're done. Swipe left on your dashboard screen. Your newly linked credit card account will now appear. From here, you can manage your cards and view recent transactions with just a tap. Bonus tip: pay and maintain a positive balance. Tap Transact on the home screen. Select Transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer to your credit card. Choose the From account, where the money is coming from. Select the To account, your credit card. Add a reference for the transfer. This is optional. Review the details and tap Transfer at the bottom center. Transfer complete. Your payment will reflect on your credit card account within the stipulated time mentioned in the confirmation notice.
If this tutorial saved you time, hit that like, share and subscribe button for more banking hacks and ring the notification bell to never miss an update. Drop a comment if you'd like a deep dive into optimizing your credit card. Until next time, stay savvy with the Bank Insider.